In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix iPhone notifications is not showing or if it's not working and how we can fix it. So one of the reasons why the notifications are not showing or neither not working, one of the reason is you might have accidentally turned it on do not disturb mode. So if we go over here, we'll be able to understood along with the time. I'm having a moon kind of an icon, which means I'm on the D and D. So in order to turn it off, what you need to do is you have to go over here, you have to go to the control center. Now from here, if it is turned on, from here you have to turn it off. That is what you have to try as the first step. So right now in this video, I'm going to keep it on because we are going to take the video, so I don't want to get hindered by any kind of notification. So try disabling the DND and you have to check. Another step is all about we have to try with a forced restart. Sometimes a forced restart going to fix a lot of things, so you can try with this. So you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down and press and hold the power button over here. Then unless and until you see the Apple logo. So I'm going to show you that you have to press volume up followed by volume down, press and hold the power button over here. You have to keep pressing the power button and you have to only release when you see the Apple logo. Now the phone is turned off. When you see the Apple logo, you can remove the button from, the finger from the power button and just wait so that the phone will be completely loading up. And you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Now you can just go to your phone, give the passcode and check with the notifications. Still, if it's not working, what you need to do is we have to go over here to the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and over here you can see there is an option called notification. Tap on this. Now from here, the first one, as you can see, the scheduled summary. Make sure that you have to turn on this. You have to make sure this is turned on. If it is turned on, you have to make sure of the time as well. This will be available in that particular time. But even though if you want to turn it off, you can also turn it off if you want it, because we can make few more changes here in this section as well. So if you go to the show previews over here, you can see all the time. If you wanted to, you can keep it always so that all kind of previews will be knotting up over there. Or if you wanted when unlocked, you can do this as well. But if you kept the never, then there'll be certain kind of an issue. So make sure that either you keep it on when unlocked, or if you want it all the time, you can keep this on always as well. Now you can just go back from here. And now from here, you can cross a little bit. If you scroll it down, if you're having any kind of issues with any particular app, for example, if I go over here, I'm using the business suite that is of Meta. If I go over here, if I'm having a trouble with I'm not receiving any kind of notification, the possible way is either the allow notifications might be turned off. So try cross-checking whether the allow notifications is turned on. And also if you go over here, if you uncheck this, I'll not be receiving any kind of notifications while I'm on the lock screen. So you have to make sure the notification sender and banners has been set. So you'll be receiving notifications only in these criteria. So make sure that you have to turn on the lock screen, and also you have to go over here and make sure following these. So you can try this particular step or cross-checking this on all the apps that you're having trouble with. So you can scroll it down over here. For example, if you have any kind of an issue with any other app, for example, if you scroll down Instagram, you can just cross-check this and make sure all these alert notification is turned on. And also you can cross-check the lock screen, notification center and banner, all these things are selected. After cross-checking this, you can just go back. The next one is all about if you go over here at the top, go to the general, and from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the VPN device management. If VPN is turned on, that is also one of the reasons. So make sure you're disconnecting the VPN. That is also very important. And also you have to just go back from here, and also you can try with resetting all settings. For that, you have to go to the general. From here you have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. From here, go to the reset and make sure the reset all settings is done. Now, as you can see, when you go for the reset all settings, it won't delete any of your data. What it's going to do is it's just going to default kind of making changes in the settings. If you're having any home screen layout, all kind of things will be changed over there. Then you can go to the reset all settings from here. Afterwards, you have to check, and most probably these kind of steps is going to help you guys out. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.